Hi, another intuitive reading that I'm going to do today is it's specifically for July because all the major things are going to happen in July 2021. As you know, I'm not talking about astrologically because I don't know anything that's going to happen majorly in July 2021 astrologically, but I'm telling through my intuition that all the major things are all the major positive things are going to happen in July 2021. A new cycle has already begun. If not, it will begin for sure till July 2021. Okay, so yeah, and something important may start, may finish, may take go on to the next level from today to 1st July 2021. So this is something I had to tell you. Apart from that, because July is so important, I have to do a one reading for you. Okay, uh, what's in store for you for July basically. So I'll just do it from all of my decks, and one of the deck which is from Diana Cooper. Okay, about what do you need to know about July, what's going to happen. We'll just see what's going to happen. Okay, so I'll start with the love messages deck, which is my handmade cards. I kindly request everybody to to not copy any of the ideas, my original ideas, if you see it here. Okay, not even in the name of inspiration. I've already written it in the copyright, but please don't. Okay, I've seen a lot of readers who are getting copied, and that's not a good thing. Please don't do that to anyone. So yeah, let's see. Thank you, spirits, angels, ancestors, all the gods and goddesses, my spirit baby, spirit guides. Please help me channel through the message of July 2021 for the viewers. Thank you. Okay. This card fell in diagonal. This is the Emperor card, which is a very strong Aries energy. Okay, it is a multifaceted personality. You may meet a lot of if there are twin flames watching this, confirmed twin flames watching this, who know that for sure that they are twin flames. Okay, without any doubt. Many of the meetings may happen from today onwards to July 2021. No matter what, wherever you live, no matter whatever the situation right now in your country is, you will meet your twin flame physically, not on video call, not on the spiritual realm. You will meet them on the physical realm. Okay, uh, so if you do, okay, please come back and comment so that I understand that yes, you got the message, and I'll be more than happy to know that it resonated. Okay, so the Emperor card was in diagonal, which is an Aries card. Okay, and maybe you are confused right now. A lot of us are confused right now, and the person you're dealing with, or you, or both of you, have multifaceted personality. Okay, and you have kind of dual personality types things. Okay, like you are the leader, but then you want other people to take charge. Okay, or in the case of love situation specifically, you want your partner to take charge, otherwise you're dominant in other aspects. So that can be one thing. There's no power struggle, I think. Yeah, you will take responsibility for your, both of you will take responsibility, but you are not the ones to practice blame game, or to practice dirty politics or something like that. Okay, and you may be struggling with stability, even financially, I think. Stability in trust issues, stability in in interpersonal relationships, in financial things. It can be anything, and you're not the one to give orders or take orders. Okay, is what I'm getting. Okay, and yeah, you're not among those. 4 may be an important number for you, or you may need to keep in mind that you need to create a lot of balance in your life from today to July at least, and even even later, but this is the crucial time for many of you. Okay, so that's the only card that came up from this deck, so I would not actually take any other card because this card has a detailed explanation already. On the bottom of the deck is pens. As I said, it's a financial, it's a card related to finances. As I said, you are, this is a time when people will be trying to balance all the aspects in their life, and you will be trying to balance your finances and everything. So one more thing is, as I said, balance. So one more thing is, like, if you have to balance your health, your health will improve, okay, but there may be some financial struggle. For some of you, if your financial struggle was really going on for really long and you really need the money and you've worked hard for it, you will get the money during this time, and there will be a lot of abundance, because I can see like golden coins or something like that, in a pile. Yeah, I just see that. So yeah, and some of you may be earning in dollars, so that's something that a vision that came up. Okay, on the bottom of the deck is the Magician. As I said, things will, you will break a lot of cycles, you will break a lot of patterns, which will help you grow, which will reward you in the form of new beginnings, which will reward you in the form of getting the rewards for your efforts. Okay, yeah, you're the magician in your life is what I'm getting with this card. You have created the magic in your life, and if you haven't seen the result, if you haven't seen the magic, you will see the magic during this time before July 1, 2021. Okay, because if you are a very conventional kind of person, you'll think out of the box. That will benefit you, or it can be an advice for you to think out of the box. You may be very skillful with your hands and fingers. Yeah, hands are very important. Hands are very important. Some of you may even be able to enjoy some celebration amidst all the chaos and confusion and everything. Some of you will be able to enjoy a lot is what I'm getting. And some of you, food is very important for you. I don't know why, I don't know how. Some of you may take up some health routines which is obviously related to food, like intermittent fasting, or maybe drinking lemon with water once a day or the whole day or whatever like that, or maybe gymming or aerobics or exercise or something like that. So that can be a thing. Okay, so on that note, I'll see, since I talked about aerobics and everything, I'll see from the healing methods deck, because the whole planet needs healing and ascension right now. So, and I'm not throwing difficult words. Healing and ascension is just raising your vibration to go to the next level, so that your soul can connect easily to other high vibrational beings, and to your versions which are high vibrational, because really, like, most of the things are just reflections of you. Okay, so yeah, let's see. And this healing can be related to money, can be related to health, can be related to any kind of problems you are having with any kind of person in relation with you, and that doesn't have to be necessarily a love relationship. It can be any other relationship. So let's see, what healing method can you use? Give me one card, please. Spirits, angels, ancestors, guides, all the gods and goddesses, please tell me what healing methods can the readers use. Thank you. Okay, the cards, if you're coming here for the first time, the cards that come out diagonal, I keep them diagonal and I read them as maybes. Okay, so yeah, I think that's enough. So the one that flew out is quantum healing in reverse. Quantum healing in reverse. Okay, if you're trying psychology, philosophy, neurophysiology and quantum mechanics kind of things, these individually or together will not be very beneficial according to the cards. Gym can help you. It's not really a completely a healing method, but it can help you. Reflexology is something that you can try. You can search about it online. Okay, I'm not a medical professional, disclaimer. I'm not a medical professional. I'm just doing this card reading because I have to pass the message through. Okay, take advice from professionals, okay, who know about these. Don't take my advice in this case, but only take my advice in the case that you try this, okay, and it's your call completely. So since I'm a healer, yeah, I am a healer though. Okay, you may contact healers because you need healing. That means Tai Chi diagonal, okay, enhances physical and mental health. You may be having physical health struggles, I think, because even there was also health, then either physical or mental, you may have some, I don't know. Improves posture, boosts mood, alleviates pain. Alleviates means like reduces pain. Strengthens the immune system, but that's very necessary right now. Please try your best to do everything that can help you strengthen your immune system. For me, I do intermittent fasting. I drink lemon water whole day without sugar, without anything. Okay, just lemon and water. Okay, what else? I'm also doing breathing exercises nowadays, and I'm not telling all of you this because I want to flaunt or something. I just want that people should try to heal themselves, because if each individual heals themselves, their vibration will raise, the frequency will raise as an individual, and then the planet's vibration will raise, and then when the planet will be high vibrational, the healing will be more easy, will be easier, and then these kind of diseases which are low vibrational activities will not be able to sustain for so long. Okay, okay, so please try your best to strengthen your immune system, and take care that people around you also try their best to take care of their immune system and try to strengthen it as much as possible. Okay, then it improves heart health. One method is obviously Tai Chi, as I'm reading it. Okay, improves heart health, enhances strength, improves balance and flexibility. Again, balance, as I said. Okay, so another card is pranic healing, which is in diagonal. So you can try this, but only trying pranic healing will not sustain for so long, is what I'm getting. Okay, on the bottom of the deck we have crystal healing. Okay, stones, pebbles, crystals. And on top of the deck we have rain healing, which is recognize what is happening, allow your experience to just be, like just experience it as it is happening, mindfulness. investigate your experience with kindness and non-identification. So you can search about it. RAIN, rain. Also with that, you can listen to rain sounds. They really, really will soothe you in the times of stress, especially. And also, if you have any sleep issues, you can listen to rain sounds and sleep. Okay. Okay, so love messages are done. Now we'll have to see from the from the career deck. I'm dissociating at times. It's just okay. I do it one take. I don't edit the videos at all. Okay, but I'm trying to keep it as short as possible. Okay. Now this is my own career deck. You may have seen it if you have seen my previous readings. Okay. Let's see about anything about your career from today to July. Any message regarding that the viewer needs to know. Your cards came out in reverse. Almost all of them came out in reverse. Okay. First was nurse or healer or assist in reverse. Okay. So yes, you need healing. Okay. And as I said, you need healing. I really think you need healing. Something will be off which will, try to, try to bring imbalance, because the main theme of this whole time period is balance. Okay. Then there is online job in diagonal. Okay, that may be because of the bans. Then there is the bans won't last long though. Okay, don't stress about it, don't fret about it, just don't. Digger. So you may dig deep into yourself, into healing, into your own self, into your dark aspects which you consider dark. Okay, which you don't consider visiting or anything like that. Lawyer in reverse. So you may just stop finding reasons to everything. Stop justifying any unhealthy or toxic or such kind of behavior done by you or towards you. Okay. So it can mean a lot of things. Basically, you can justify your points to somebody. Okay. And these things, this is in reverse. So this means, you may have to do it, but then it will end. Maybe you are doing it already. You are trying to defend yourself, you're trying to prove a point, you're trying to bring justice into people's lives. Okay, fight for yourself, fight for others. But this tough time, this struggle, this fight will positively end soon, and that will give you a sense of relief. See, in case you're wondering, I'm not trying to make these cards positive. The downloads that I'm getting, the intuitive insights that I'm getting are coming out to be very positive. Okay, if they have been negative, I would have warned you, but I'm not, which means they are positive. Okay, they don't need to be read in a negative tone, because each card, they tell which vibe they are coming from in each reading. So the next card is model. Okay, with this I'm getting, again, you may follow a fitness routine or something, but before that, as I said, you'll seek within. Also, you will try your best to guide yourself. Okay, I hope you find the help you need, if you need any, and I think you will get it. Okay, and you will be the perfect role model for yourself. You'll slowly become that. Okay, basically you'll start to have faith on yourself. If you already have that, that will increase, which is not a bad thing. So good luck. Don't go. The the next card is Alchemist in reverse. This, I think, according to many cards that I'm seeing, I think you will take your time to repose. You would experiment a lot. You will see the lower card is also in reverse. Alchemist is also in reverse. Online job is in diagonal. Nurse is in reverse. So you will most of you may even repose in isolation is what I'm getting. Okay, like you will try to cut off contact with other people, and you will not want to talk to them because you are taking your time off, your own time off for them. So that can be something. Okay, because it's coming out very prominent. So on the top of the deck is in office job. So maybe some of you have to, since there is online job in diagonal and then there is in office job, so there due to the pandemic, maybe some of you, your jobs are basically offline, but because of the pandemic you have to shift it online at times. So that's why both the cards have come up, is what I'm getting. Okay, then there is jeweler in reverse. With this, what I'm instantly getting is whatever doesn't serve you, or whoever doesn't respect you or doesn't value you, okay, that will leave your life. Okay, and you will leave a life behind in which you were not respected by yourself, by others, by anybody. Okay, you were not respected, your thoughts were not respected. You will leave that life behind, and this shift will literally happen in a month. Okay, and trust me, it will. Okay, it may sound impossible, but it's not. Okay, because changes, when your high vibrational changes happen like in a click. So yeah, let's see messages from ancestors. What should the viewers know? July 2020. July? Why did I say 2020? July 2021. Some of you may repeat patterns. Don't do that. See, I said self-work. Self-work is a very, very, very prominent thing here. Some of you may be, thinking about going back to your toxic exes, which means ex-friend, ex-partner, ex-parent, ex-family member, ex-stranger, whoever. Okay, don't do that. That's why it has come up again. Have faith on yourself. Many of you think that you'll die if you're alone. I literally am getting that you are literally feeling like, oh, I can't stay alone the whole life. What if I'm left alone the whole life? You don't have to do that. Okay, you have to be, slowly just allow yourself to be comfortable in your own space. It's not a very gala place either, but you can, it's not a very bad place, but it's not such a good place that you will like to visit it every day, because you will have challenges, you will have fears to talk through, you will have fears to process through, to work against, not work against, but yeah, work on. So you have to do it, you'll have to do it. Take your time, take it slow. If it appears too hard or too fast to you, just take your time. It's not necessary that you have to do it right now. Okay, but you have to start right now, that's for sure. Okay, not every beginning is with the purpose of achievement. You need to understand that. See, have faith on yourself. You don't need anyone to help you, which means you need to stay away from most possibly somebody from your past. Leave the past behind, please. We are here when you need and otherwise too. This is your ancestors telling you that you don't need to go back to the person from your past who is not good for you, who is unhealthy for you. If you need support, just call on your ancestors and they will help you. Okay? You are enough alone. Okay? Yes, you are. On the top of the deck is take care of your sister or sibling, or maybe somebody who is like your sister or brother or anybody. And on the bottom of the deck is be honest with yourself. Exactly what I said. Okay, let's see your messages from the Spirit Babies deck. These are all my handmade decks. I make these when I get the intuitive downloads. Okay, what do the viewers need to know? What will happen in July 2021? What do the viewers need to know about July 2021? Spirit Babies deck, the message that came up is we are all so different, but you treat us all the same or according to the right care we need. And this is an appreciation from your Spirit Babies if you are in connection with them, that you are an egalitarian person who treats people equally, that you don't make partial decisions, you are not partial, and that's a good thing. That's an appreciation thing. So I hope your cards usually don't slip from my hand, so maybe you'll be a little clumsy during this time. This diagonal, never be greedy. I don't think so you're greedy. And ask for something unnaturally. Don't ask for something unnaturally. This is your advice, okay? I don't think so you all are greedy. If you are, please don't be. But I don't think so you are. But the advice is for you, don't ask for something unnaturally. That's why it, fell diagonal. Because the desire will surely manifest, but will soon prove to be fatal. Yeah. On the top of the deck is from the Spirit Baby, don't involve me as a child in between or middle of both of your fights and arguments. Don't use me as a weapon against other. On the bottom of the deck is heads up mama, another appreciation card. It's okay that you're busy. We can talk when you're not occupied. So your Spirit Babies understand, but you should also understand if you have a spouse who you are not on good terms with them right now. At least your Spirit Babies are getting affected with it. Sort it out. I'm not saying that repress it or anything. Don't do that. Process it, okay? And work it out, please. Now finally the Ascension cards deck by Dinah Cooper. Let's see these messages and then we are done. What do the readers need to hear or know right now regarding from now to July 2021? Okay. Commander Ashtar is, the number is 39, so that may be important for you. Affirmation is, I connect with Commander Ashtar to serve the universe. This is the deck Ascension cards by Dinah Cooper. Okay, Commander Ashtar is in charge of intergalactic fleet, spaceships that patrol and protect this universe. His mothership enters Earth through Machu Picchu, the two-way interdimensional portal that he oversees. Okay. Commander Ashtar is connecting with you through this card and inviting you to view the planets, stars, galaxies with cosmic eyes. Okay, so you need to connect with the universe and you need to connect with your aspect which connects with the universe. Okay, breathe in the subtle energy. You need to do pranayam, as I said, pranic healing. You need to do that. Okay. Yeah, breathe in the subtle energy and wisdom of the stellar world. You may possibly also need to work on your sixth chakra and allow it to affect your chakra system and ignite your consciousness. You're blessed, for this is a card of expanded enlightenment and call to intergalactic service. Okay. The number is 39. On the top of the deck is Saint Germain, which reads, Saint Germain, Lord of Civilization, cooperates with this again relates to new beginning, because what's happening in the world, a new civilization, a new beginning will soon happen, which will be very high vibrational. Okay, that is the fight going on between low vibrational and low vibrational activities and high vibrational activities and people. Okay, so Saint Germain, Lord of Civilization, cooperates with Archangel Zadkiel to transmute the lower energies of the world in the violet flame. He is a great alchemist and magician who. So alchemist card came in reverse for you. Okay, which means you need to let go of control. Okay, you will not be the alchemist right now. Archangel Saint Germain will be the alchemist. You don't have to be the alchemist. Okay, Saint Germain will do for you. Okay, so he is a great alchemist and magician. Let's see, magician card, they're just confirmations coming up. Who transforms that which no longer serves into something beautiful and light. Okay, so this will be transformed, everything will turn into something beautiful and light. Okay, light in energy, and then light like sparkling light, that kind of something that makes you happy basically. Your guidance is to invoke Saint Germain, surround yourself in his violet light, 6th chakra and 7th chakra. Okay, and see the divine perfection in whatever or whoever you wish to transform, which I think in most cases is you. So you should see divine perfection in yourself. Stop self-criticism and self-sabotage. It's very difficult to do that, I know. Okay, to stop self-criticism and self-sabotage, but please try to do that at least. Okay, your pure intention, you're a pure soul. Your pure intention and focus can co-create with this energy to make miracles happen. That's why 6th chakra, focus, co-creation. With co-creation again, I'm getting for the twin flames, for the few twin flames who are here, who are going to possibly meet their twin flame in in between the timeline I'm told before July 2021. In physical reality, this is just confirmation, first of all, and secondly, this is another thing that you are going to co-create a new reality, a new healthy reality that benefits you, that makes you happy and healthy in all ways. Okay, because you're a pure soul and so is your twin flame, and even if you don't have a twin flame or are on no such journey, you are a pure soul. Okay, and miracles will happen to all of you. Okay, and use this to help yourself and others to ascension. Yes, you'll have to let go of control issues, but still you will have to help yourself by having faith on yourself, stopping any kind of self-criticism, self-sabotage. You'll have to help yourself in that way. Okay, on the bottom of the deck is Lord Maitreya, which reads, Lord Maitreya is head of the great white brotherhood, peace, the beings whose auras radiate the pure white of integrity and high intention. Again, integrity. Okay, you are honest souls, actually, pure souls, honest souls. Drawing this card suggests it is time for you to examine every area of your life carefully and practice purity of thought, word, and deed. As I said, new beginning. So obviously you will do that. You'll think about, you'll ponder over all the cycles that I've gone through, all the people you have met, all the work you have done, or if you have not done, on that, what you're thinking, because everything manifests. What you do, what you think, because what you think you do. Okay, and vice versa. Yeah, you're asked to be an example of right living. No, don't no, don't follow this advice. You don't need to be perfect. Okay, give yourself time, give yourself space, be imperfect. There's no need to be perfect. Okay, your reward is the peace. As I said, peace will come in your life that passes all understanding, and the joy of flowing smoothly on your higher path in life. Okay, there will be joy, there will be smooth ride for a while. Okay, especially if you're with your twin flame. Okay, in that journey, and there'll be peace and understanding. So yeah, that was all for you. Okay, please follow all the advices, and yeah, that is all. Subscribe, share, press the bell icon, like, comment to please kar dena if it resonates. I feel really happy if it resonates. I feel like my purpose is served, so please do that, and I'll see you in the next reading. I don't know when that will happen, but yeah, I'll see you in the next reading. So tab tak ke liye, please take good care of yourself, vibrate high, follow all the health routines as much as you can, take good rest, watch comedy shows which make you laugh, laugh out loud. Don't watch anything that stresses you out. Don't engage too much with social media, because that can also stress you out. Don't engage with any kind of news so much that it stresses you out. Wash your hands for at least 30 seconds a day, and drink enough water, and I think that's it. Yeah, have a good day, keep smiling, bye.